Hi guys! In this video I will show you how to control individual app volume on your Android device. This will definitely be very useful for various purposes. So, let's start the tutorial. Not all Android devices have a built-in feature to control individual app volumes, although some do. So, you need an app called App Volume Control, which you can install for free on the Play Store. Open the app. Then allow some permissions required by the app. This is the interface of the app after getting permissions. Next, select which app you want to control the volume of. For the free version, you can control the volume of a maximum of 8 apps. For example, I will choose the YouTube app in the System Apps section. Enable it in the Media section. Then set the volume you want. This app can also control the volume of the app when you are using a headset and also Bluetooth. In the When Closing section, leave the default. Now just save the settings. Now as proof, I will full my media volume first. Then I will play one of my videos on YouTube.
Surga itu makan.
Dia ni anak suka jajan, sumpah mati.
By default, Google Chrome will not allow you to take screenshots and you can in see incognito mode. The media volume changes according to what I set on the app volume control earlier. And if I exit the YouTube app, the media volume on my Android phone is back to full. This proves that the tutorial I provided is working. That's all for this video. Hopefully it's useful. And thank you for watching.